Welcome back to the Shade Tree Garage. This will be a short video, mainly a complaint. Now, like you, I probably depend a lot on Amazon. I order things just about every day from Amazon. I'm a Prime member. I love their quick shipping. And a lot of times it's easier for me to track something down on Amazon than it is to go from store to store and asking for a certain item. If it's on Amazon, it can be at your door within a day or two. And I love it. Much simpler than going out running from auto parts store to auto parts store. Now, I'm generally very, very pleased with Amazon shipping. Let's this time they let me down. I ordered, get this around here, let's see. I ordered this can of USC Special Light body filler. The price was right, and so I ordered it. Well, I will show you now let me show you a picture of the box when it arrived on my front porch. Now this photo is taken by Amazon's own delivery driver. So let's take a look at that photo. As you can see, that this gallon of body filler almost didn't make it to my house. Now, it was packed in that box without any packing, nothing, not even wads of brown paper. So this can was rattling around in that box for its whole trip here. Now, believe it or not, the lid on the can is popped up a little bit. Thankfully, it's got a seal around it, and I'll knock that back down. The can has a dent in the side, but just one there, and that's it. But the lid, as you might be able to see, the lid on this end is up and needs to be tapped down. So I let Amazon know that the box came damaged and that one whole flap is loose. If these had been 2 quart cans, that body filler would have been somewhere between here and wherever it came from. And you would have had one very unhappy Amazon customer. As it was, I was anticipating disaster. When I saw that flap loose on the box, my first thought was the body filler is all over the inside of that box. Fortunately, no, it arrived in decent shape. Even the hardener is good. So I really can't complain too much, but I did complain because I expect more. I've been an eBay seller for more than 20 years. I would never have sent something that weighs almost 10 pounds in a box without any packing. That's irresponsible. And if that happens a lot, it's going to cost Amazon considerable amounts of money making good on products that were poorly packaged. That's about, well, wait a minute. One more thing I'm working on. Let's get that over here. And I'm sure those of you who, well, dang it. Those of you who have an old Plymouth or an old, well, Chevy, Dodge, any old car, you're probably familiar with this. This is an oil bath air cleaner. However, I'm going to convert it to a paper filter air cleaner. All right, I went to my local car parts store, one where people actually know how to look something up, and they don't need your the make, model, and year to figure out what kind of spark plugs it takes. So anyway, this filter fits perfect, and I am going to modify the lid. So to remove most of this, and then make a solid plate across the bottom to seal the top of the filter. And so when I'm done, this will look very stock. It'll look almost just like stock, and that's the goal. Now, for those of you who may be curious, I am not going to cut up my original air filter. This was one I picked up on eBay, and it's in pretty good shape. I've got I've got some body work to do. It's got some small dents and dings and a couple low spots. I need to finish sanding it and get it in primer. A little bit of body filler here and there. But it will look stock when it's done, though it will have a replaceable paper filter. And I'm very looking forward to getting this done. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please, if you get a package from Amazon and it is poorly packaged, please feel free to let them know. Let them know so they can improve their service. I didn't want a new can of filler. I just wanted it to arrive in good condition. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of Shade Tree Garage. So until then, happy cruising, and we'll see you next time here in the Shade Tree Garage.